Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Outlook email, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you filter your email inbox for only emails that include an attachment or a file? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to filter out your emails for only ones that have an attachment? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, probably email back and forth different contracts, and sometimes you want to print out one of those contracts, but you don't want to skim through your entire inbox. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Outlook email inbox. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Microsoft Outlook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to filter out your emails to only include the ones that have files or attachments, there's actually a few different ways you can do this. The quickest and easiest way is here in your inbox. Go ahead and click here, inbox. And then up here on the top right, you're going to see this kind of upside down triangle. Click on there. Once you do that, go ahead and click on Has Files. It looks like a paperclip. Quick second later, the page refreshes and it's only going to show emails that have an attachment or a file. Another way you can do this is you can go ahead and, let's see, clear that one out. Click up here on the search bar. Once you do that, you're going to see that same kind of filter button, this upside down triangle. Click on there. Once you click on there, you can click on this button, Attachments. But the cool thing about using this part of the feature is you can go ahead and add a second filter. So maybe we only want to show emails that have files and attachments from a certain person. So we can go ahead and click in here and type in their email address. And after that, you want to click on search. After that, Microsoft Outlook's only going to show emails that fit that search parameter. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to filter your Microsoft Outlook email inbox by emails that have an attachment or a file, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.